In today's video, I will show you how to stop videos from automatically playing in your Google Photos timeline. To begin, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once the app is open, click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Photos Settings. Next, look for and click on Preferences. Inside the Preferences menu, you will see an option labeled Photo Grid Playback. Go ahead and click that. Here, you will find a toggle for videos. Simply switch this toggle to the off position. You can also turn off motion photos here if you'd like to keep your timeline completely still while you scroll. And that's it. That's how you stop videos from automatically playing in Google Photos. Thank you for watching.